Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and today I'm going to talk about my old iPad. Well, not really. I got a new iPad, but my old iPad is an iPad Mini 4, and that iPad Mini 4 is like, I think, older than me. So finally, Apple came out with a new iPad, 6th generation, and so I picked one up. It's a 256 gigabyte Wi-Fi model. You can also get it with cellular. I did not. And I also picked up the iPad Smart Folio. I don't know why it's smart, but it's Smart Folio. And I picked up an Apple Pencil 2. So we're going to take a look at each of these and see what they're like. So let's take a look at the iPad first. All right. All right, so we get this off here. Okay, here we go. Oh, typical Apple, nicely wrapped up. All right, get rid of that. There it is. There's the, better hold it the right way. There's the iPad Mini 6. And what's really cool is this seems almost lighter than my old one. I'm sure it's not, but it's easy to hold, fits in my hand nicely. And let's see, we'll turn it on. And look at that, comes up, says hello, so it's a very nice screen. And on the back is a nice big camera with a, looks like a flash on it, so you can do flash photos. And the button on the top is actually a Touch ID, so that you can unlock the phone with your finger. And it has volume buttons on the top, it has speakers on the top and on the bottom. And it comes with a USB-C connector, so that's pretty cool. So that's the iPad Mini 6. All right, and it comes with all the documentation as normal. And it also comes with USB-C cable. So the cool thing is it's USB-C on both sides, and unlike my new iPhone, it came with a power adapter. So this is kind of great because that means you have everything you need to use your iPad. So I'm glad they included the cable and the plug on, the power adapter on it. So let's take and put this away here. All right. Also picked up a Folio, a Smart Folio. All right, let's take a look. It comes in all sorts of colors. I don't know why I picked this color. It looks kind of cool. And let's see. All right, little insert. Take that out of there. There it is. This basically it's a soft inside. Nice feel outside. So let's see if we can figure out how to put it on. All right, camera is here. The hole in the case is here, so I guess it goes like this. And boom. That's it. That's the Folio. It's pretty nice. Turns on, turns off, and hooks up nicely. So that's pretty neat. There's the iPad with its Folio on it. It's Smart Folio. And let's see, we have the Apple Pencil number 2. So it's supposed to have like pressure sensitivity or something like that. That's better than the old one. So let's take a look. All right, take that off. And open it up. Oop, I had it upside down. There it is. That's the Apple Pencil 2. So let's see. We'll put that over there. Looks like it has a bunch of directions. We don't need those. So that's it. That's the Apple Pencil 2. You know, it's funny. It's got a flat side here. I suspect that connects to the case, but it holds really well, and it's made for left-handed people. So if you're a right-handed person, this pencil is probably not for you. But for us lefties, it works really well. It's lightweight, very easy to hold. And it should snap onto the case here. There's like a little landing place for it. So let's see, we'll just put this here. Oh, see, so it just snapped on. It holds on good and tight. It doesn't seem to come off. And then you can take and write on it. So I'm left-handed, I better write with my left hand. So I can write with it. Now it's not set up yet, so it's not going to be able to do anything. But yeah, so that's it. Nice and easy to use. And snaps onto the case. See, nice. And then you can put the case away. And it all is in a nice little package. So I'm kind of excited about getting this whole thing set up and getting to play with it and start using it. So that's the Apple iPad Mini 6th generation and Smart Folio and Apple Pencil 2. Thank you.